Fundamentals are basic building block of every profession. Fundamentals are basic building block of every project, of every craft. Fundamentals are the large stones in a foundation that help you get to a stronger top floor, that help you get to a taller building, I guess is the best analogy I can apply. In cooking, when you have strong fundamentals, and when you have a strong understanding of the fundamentals, you understand the steps that it takes to execute great cooking techniques. If you talk about a sauté, what is a fundamentally excellent sauté? And what are the characteristics? How do you identify it? To me, I look for nice sautéed edges, good brown color, nice doneness on the inside of whatever it is that we're cooking in the sauté fashion. Sauté, it means to jump. It has everything to do with starting with a hot pan, heating your fat, and then putting in a dry product to sauté and to cook quickly in that sauté pan. Now, when you're a culinary student, you hear the basics and you understand what the basics of that fundamental are. But as we grow in our profession, it's so important to go back and revisit the fundamentals and review what makes fundamentals significant. And we'll pick up and identify the real tricks, the real secrets behind great cooking. The majority of time as people carry on in their career, they stray from executing the fundamentals because it seems like, you know, you can save time by cutting this corner, or you can skip this step and still have a semi-reasonable result. But if you go back and you honor the fundamentals that you're using to cook, you'll find that your end products come out infinitely better than they were. Reviewing fundamentals is a great refresher for growing your program. Go back to square one so that you can move forward. And that's why I often say, when fundamentals are neglected, mistakes are unavoidable. The fundamentals are there to remind and to keep us on the right track for preparing great end product, for preparing great food. If you look at a braise is a combination of a lot of great fundamentals. Each one, if any are neglected, will negatively impact the final product. When you're searing a piece of meat, when you're seasoning the piece of meat, it goes further back. After you've butchered the meat or dried the meat for searing, what are those steps? And if you identify what those fundamentals are to make that desired end result, you can deliver on them. I always recommend that chefs in the business, after 10 years in the industry, go back and look at their fundamentals. After 20 years in the industry, go back and look at the fundamentals. Look at the fundamentals as they're applied now in 2020. Things have changed, but the fundamentals have not. It's a little bit easier to execute some of them because of the equipment that we now have available. Chilling products is so much more rapid because of the equipment that we have. But great cooking is and always will be great cooking because the fundamentals are executed appropriately. If you haven't done so already, please check out my Instagram at Gerald L. Ford. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button. Hitting that like button helps with the algorithms and gets more people to my site, and inevitably helps me have more people view my content, which allows me to produce more content. Again, I look forward to a really great month ahead, and take care. See you around.